know, Tony's been awarded the Jobby yesterday. Smile. Luino to Bormio today. We got a gorgeous ride up Lake Maggiore or Maggiore or something like that. Maggiore. Pop into Switzerland, we do the San Bernadino Pass, turn right, go down the Splügen, south over the Splügen Pass. Today is going to be an absolute belter. So here we are, we've just come off the A13 and we've dropped down onto the 13, which is one of my lucky numbers because it is the San Bernadino Pass. We're now about to ride it. We just pulled over because it's suddenly the temperatures dropped quite a lot, obviously because we're climbing, and the hoodie is not very thermal. Take the opportunity to put a leather jacket on and also have a very quick wee down this little track. So we've done a little bit of the Route 13. I think we'll feel some t-shirts coming on Route 13, San Bernardino. So part of the San Bernardino Pass is done. We're now going to go and do a part more. We've just stopped for a quick morning brew. Alright chaps. And a bit of the view for the brew. Not a bad place. Growing up here must have been an absolute shit. I mean, I can't think of a worse place to grow up. Give me city centre Manchester any day. Was that right?
Hello.
Insta. Awesome. Awesome Insta. Bloody hell. Alright, I got a bigger one. Mick's just asked me if we have lots of twisties coming.
Mick, when you finish with your tartlet, can I have the edges? You haven't seen them.
We have got a lot of twisties coming. How's it looking?
Well, I've worn all the little bits of rubber off.
everyone went through the wrong side of the road. You all went through the left side.
Yeah, we were directed to that toilet. You can't see.
You all went through it. That's right. At least I haven't got that on video. I thought I'll film you coming in. This will look good. Buongiorno! So here we are back in Italy. And the key to this is remembering that in this country, they drive on the wrong side of the road.
I blame it on the marker who's pointed us down the wrong way.
Yeah, alright. Alright.
Alright.
Alright.
So this is the third time we've been up here.
Is it?
Yeah. I thought when you sit, I can just write down all the names.
The Autobahn Mafia tag planted on the bikes as usual. Danny's checking his bike. He knows it's there somewhere. They know it's there somewhere. It's finding the bugger. And then, of course, finding it and being discreet and reallocating it is the key. If you find it. So, Splügen Pass. And now down more of it. How's Elvis doing?
Elvis doing good.
Yeah?
I'm just making sure he hasn't been bugged and interfered with.
No one, I don't think anyone interfere with Elvis.
That's good, because he's the king.
He is the king.
Yeah.
Now, Jane's either looking for a tag or she's doing some sort of ritual. Everyone all right?
Yeah.
Should we go for it?
Yeah.
They're little
That
dinky
was
roads.
mental. I nearly got wiped out by a black car just coming right out on the side of my road.
Mate, mental good or mental bad?
Mental good.
Oh, thank God for
Crazy.
that. That road is, when you see it,
Oh my god.
it's just like, if you look at it, you think, how did they
Build it.
build that road?
I mean, where it went in the tunnels and then really snaking back in on itself.
That's
That
the
was
tech.
crazy. Yeah, crazy bit of engineering.
They took some time building it, didn't they?
How long did we spend actually going downhill then? Because we ain't stopped yet either, have we?
No. All right, was it?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate.
Dan, pants okay? Pants all right? There, boys. All right then. All right. That sorted the. That you could do that French road easy now, couldn't you?
Yes.
Now.
Yes.
No, I don't. I just saw it.
Well, we've just done the Splügen, and now we've just come down to this little town called Chiavenna, and we are going to then head east. East now towards Bormio for the night. We parked here in a lovely little spot over here. Luckily, we've had a nice gentleman watching the bikes for us. There he is. He's been keeping an eye on the bikes. He's, I think he's a bit nervous because Mick went and had a word with him earlier, but he still hasn't grasped the concept of off you go. We're going to be going in a minute anyway. Heading west toward, east towards our destination this evening, which is the town of Bormio, and setting us up nicely for the Stelvio Pass in the morning.
Tummy full of gelato.
John's got a tummy full of gelato, which I think is ice cream.
Been waiting days for it.
He only come here for the ice cream. That's the only reason he come on the trip. Continuing east on our mission towards Bormio, we've done the Maloja Pass, gone through San Moritz, and we are now over the top of the hills. More passes going towards back into Italy, and we stopped at this little cracker of a place, Opizio Bernina. I've had the drone up, as you can see. I coincidentally and very fortunately flew just outside of a restricted zone, so check. You've got an app you can use to do that. Drone Assist. It's a great app. Tells you where you can and cannot fly. So we've all stopped here for a quick leg stretch, and we've got to say it is an absolute cracker of a stop. Coffee, and then next stop will be Bormio, the hotel.